Let's see. We have good food here today. A little bit different than normal. We got good food. Tell the people all around the world, look at them hot dogs right there. Never paid $5 for a hot dog, but it's a lot better than paying $10 for a hamburger.
Yeah. And it comes with chips.
You get tater chips too?
Yeah.
Boy. Anyhow, I'll put a good word in for you.
Thanks.
You'll have to come to some more sales. I'll eat hot dogs then. Alright. That's enough for now. Got a whole bunch of old junk tractors there. Pickup truck. 2 good tractors. And there was 6 wagon loads of small stuff. And the whole woods full of old junk busted farm machinery. See what happens later.
Back in 60, 55, 60. You want it at 60? And now 70, 60, 70, 67, give 65. Give 65, 65, 60, now 5, 65.
$250.
65, now 70.
About the cheapest
now
one I've ever seen.
65 and 70, at 65 and 70.
Now it's doing choice stuff on the tree.
Sold at $65. Up here at 425.
Wonder what they got. What'd you get?
Well, I'm not telling.
Well, we'll just pick it up and we'll put it on YouTube. He's getting that box.
Well, I would think so. I missed it. Should have sorted out.
All right.
Heck's wrong with me. All right. Who else wants a choice of that? Back better. Do you want anything at that? $65. Anybody? I think you got what art? Connection.
Try again.
Hey, charged the battery and put it in there last night. She charged right up for it.
Then broke it.
It wouldn't restart. 6 foot didn't act like it had much gumption. Kind of like the court. Kind of like the auctioneer. Ain't got a lot of gumption.
Hey. It runs. That's
She must be dead.
Hey Steve, that's the right drawbar for this. It runs.
Boy, she's gonna need a battery.
She's gonna need a battery.
But other than that, it runs like a top. And there is a tune-up kit there. He bought was going to tune it up. Didn't even need it. That's how good it carries. Had a guy call me last night and said I can put it short that didn't have no oil in it. I said, sir,
Yep, tractor supply drawbar too.
clean, you didn't see there was oil in it. You can't even see it on the sticker. I am kidding you.
All
I thought it
right.
was crazy. I thought I was trying to be a liar. Hey boys, look in. I'd never do this. No way. Ain't that working a liar. Liar and thief both of them. Hey, look in there. On the Ferguson. All right, look in there, boys. Somebody started out about 2,000. Get $2,000 on the Ferguson. $2,000 for the big two. Get $2,000 for the 2,000. Where we get $2,000 for the big one. Get $2,000 for the big two. Get two. Give me $1,500. Give $1,500. Give $500. $1,000. Well, you got to start something. $500 now, 7.5. At $500, 7.5. $500 now, 7.5. At $500 bid now, 750. 7.5. 750. 7.5. $500, 7.5. Now give $8,000. Give $800. 750 bid. Now $800. 750. Give $800. 750 now $800. $800. Going back. Give $800. Yeah. Now 8 quarter. Now 8 quarter. 800. 8 quarter. 800. 8 quarter. Every quarter. Every 25. 800 now 825. 800 now 825. 8 quarter. 825. 825. Every 8 quarter. 825. The boys are better than that. I thought that would start to run just like it's supposed to be.
Should have put a new battery in it.
800. 8 quarter. 825. 800, 825. Give 8 quarter for it, boys. It's better than that. Give 825. Give 8 quarter. 825. What do you say? 825. 825. Better than 8.5. Now 8.5. 825 bid. No 850. 825. No 8.5. 825. No 8.5. 8.5. Going back over there. 8.5. 825. No 850. What do you mean? 8.5. 825. No 8.5. 825. Now 850. Every 850. Going back over 8.5. 8.5. Every give 8. Hey, yeah, that's right. Give 8.5. 850. 850. 8.5. $850. Sold at 825.
Right there.
427.
427.
Yeah. And then the bum mower on. Hey, we're going to jump back here and sell the bush hog now. They sit here hooked up, and they'd still been using them to mow around the edge of the field, and we just unhooked them there last night. You're buying this mower here, somebody can buy 200. Give 200, everybody give 2 on the bush hog. I give 200, everybody give 2. Somebody give $100. Give 100. Give 100 on her. Give 100 on the mower. Like everybody give somebody give $50 every mower. You give $50, everybody give 50 on the mower. Like everybody give 50, give $30. How much? Now 40, 30, 40, 50. Now 40, I go give 40. Did you say 40, 30, 40, 30, 40, give 35. At 30, now 5, give 5, 5, 30, now 5, give 5, 5, 35 and 40. And now 40, 35 and 40. Give $40, give 40, 35, 35 and 40. Got you on 35, now 40. Now 45. Now 45 and 50. Now 50, 45, 50. At 45, now 50, $50, 45, 50, 50, 45, 50, 50, 45, 50. You want 50? Now 55. At 50, now 5, now 60. Now 60. Now 5, 65, 70, now 70, now 5, 75, now 80, $80, now 5, 85, 85, now 90, give $9, 95, now 100, give 100.
That's about enough.
100, 105, 105, 105, 105, 100, now 105, 100, now 105, 105, 105, 105 back here, sold $100. 478.
Right there.
478.
Now we got another Ford.
Okay, now I advertised this as a 3,000 Ford because that's what we thought it was. Well, then we got doing some serial number looking at it last night, found out it's a 3,600.
Oh, that's better.
Anyway, it's been that long. That should be it for a while.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Oh,
On this side. Yes, 43600 diesel. The only thing we know of on this one, guys, is the shut-off cable. When you pull it out, it don't pull the shut-off far enough to shut it off. You got to hop off and push it on around to shut it off. And steering. Oh, boy, where did I lay that? Any idea where I laid that thing? Oh no, no, I laid it on a wagon. It's got there in a box lot. I'll bet you.
started good. That's the same motor as my skid loader in it.
So early this morning, one of the boys that own this stuff brought me a bushing or a seal kit that goes in that cylinder for the steering. And I laid it down on a wagon somewhere, and I have no idea where I put it. So if you ain't to that age yet, it starts getting fun. And I ain't even that old. Well, I didn't think I was, maybe I am. I must be. It's starting to catch up. So anyhow, if anybody's got a seal laying around for a cylinder up there, fine. If not, I'll have to get you one if you buy it. If you buy it, I'll make sure you get one. I know right where to get it. But anyway, other than that, I don't think there's a whole lot wrong with the old thing at all. Other than that steering cylinder leaking, he's been mowing with it right along, right back there around the fields and stuff, mowing with it all along. Just been a nice, good little tractor. So anyhow, that's all we know. But ready to go. He mowed with it Wednesday night. He come and mowed past with it. So anyway,
You seen that tractor Dottie's got like this, ain't you?
Yeah.
Got 46-inch tires on it.
$500, get $6,000, everybody get 6 on there. Somebody get 5,000. Get 5. Get 5,000. Everybody get 5 on there. Everybody get $5,000. Everybody get 5. Get $5,000. Everybody get 5. Somebody give.
I got 2.
Give me about 2, 3,000. 2 now 3. That's 2 now 3. Get 2. That's 2 and 3. Get 3. 2, 3. That's 2, 3. 2 now 3,500. I'll give 2,500.
Yeah.
Now 3,000. Now 35. Now 35.
Yeah.
35 and now 4. 35 now 4,000. Get 35 now 4. 3,500 now 4,000. At 3,500 now 4,000. We get 4,000 over. Get 3,500 now 4. At 3,500 now 4,000. That's right here, right there. 3,500. 35 now 4. 35 now 4. 4. 3,500 now 4. Get 36. Now 7. Now 7. 37. Now 8. 38 9. 39 4. Now 4,000. Now 41. 41. 41 2. Give 2. 42. 41, 42. I'm over here at 41, get 42. You want back in, sir? 4,200, now 3. At 43, now 44. And now 44, 44, now 5. And now 46,
Yeah.
now 47, 4,700, now 48, 48, 49, 4,900, now $5,000, now 51, 51, 51, 5,000, now 50, 5,100. At 5,000 bid, now 5,100, there we do 51, 5,000 over there, 5,100, 51, 5,100. At 5,000, 51, 5,100. At 51, 5,000, 5,100, at 5,100, what do you say? 5,100, 5,000, 5,100, $5,100, 51. Sir, you want back in 5,100? 5,200, 51, 52,
Yeah.
52, 53, 52, 3, 52, 53, 53, 52, 53, what do you say? 53, 52, 3, at 52, now 3, 52, 3, with 53, are we all done? 52, 53, 5,300. Sold to you, 5,200.
Number 365.
365.
365.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, now the mower.
I'm over.
This mower here, been a good mower for this. On the one mower, so I get by 400. Get by 400.
So I still good
Get
one.
3, 2, 3, 2, now 2.5. That's you 2.5. That's you 2.5. One more like it when you see 2.5. That's 200, that's 2.5. Get 2 1/4. Get 225. Get 2 1/4. I'll do 2 1/4. Get 2 1/4. 225. 2 1/4. 225. At 200, that's 225. Get 225 on there. 200, that's 10. That's 200, that's 10. And now 20. And now 220. 30. Won't begin 220, 30. Now 30. 230. Now 40. And now 50. And now 260. Then 70. 270, 80. 270, 80. 270, 80. Wait, 280, 270, 80, 280. One back on 80, 280. Here we go, 280, 270, 80. At 270, but now 80, 280. Wait, thanks. 280, 270, 280, 280, 90. 280, 90. Now 300. Now 300, now 310. 310, 300, 310. At 300, bid now 310. We get 310, 300, 310. At 300, now 310. We get 310. Y'all done at 310. 300, 310. 310. So to you, 300. 453, 453. Okay, now the pickup. Yeah, okay, I thought, make sure I done this. Yeah, sure. Got one.
Battery died.
Started all day. They left the hood up, had the light on.
Oh, had the light on. Where's your jumper, Levi? We're on $100 rent on the dang jump box. Ain't them handy? I think I thought they was a bunch of crap. That's all they've been doing with it. 200,000.
Now the story why you're getting it going here, it's got 2 cylinders got a miss in it. So,
Hit it. Right, man. Right.
I still don't make a misses myself. I don't hear it. Runs like a top. That's good. Now, it doesn't sound like it's even missing there. They said we go out on the road and start taking up the road, put load good, starts missing a little bit. And we just want to know that. We don't know that. Probably drive home.
No. Watch out, be the only one that starts.
By the way, notice the tires. Otherwise, other than this.
Fire bar out of there, boy.
Anyway, that's all we know about it. Anybody have questions? Title.
Yeah, I got
Don't
down
have
to
a
that
notary
road.
here today. If you
Went down
buy-
to 2
if you
bars.
don't have a notary, we'll have to get together and go to the bank and all that. If you know a notary, you're on that work. If you don't, we'll get it worked out on it and we'll get it done. So anyway, all right, anybody make any questions? Let me know what's up, I guess. Maybe 1,500, 15, 1,500, 1,500, over 1,500, 1,500, 1,000 bucks. Give $1,000, give $1,000, give $1,000 every one more, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, give 500.
Yeah.
Now, got 500.
time to come at me.
We'll do it.
I didn't get it before I tried to hit him with that fucking
All right.
Number
big
409.
son of a bitch.
Thanks, sir. 409.
Get interesting.
All right, now we
I
got
better
some
be
more
out
goodies.
before dark.
You guys have been all day and you've been really patient, and I appreciate it. I gotta tell you a little story. When we first started here, all that dirt, where this dirt over there where the Jeeps are, you couldn't even, that's 10 foot tall, you couldn't even see it, and there was 5 tractors in there. And you couldn't even see them, if they hadn't told us it's in there, we'd never known it's in there. And so
Over
we started to
70.
digging and shoveling with the skid loader, daggone, we didn't find 5 tractors in them briars. So anyhow, enough talking on myself. You're buying a 70 over, looking there, something about that, buy 500, give 2, 200, every give 2, you tell me, give 100, 100 bucks every, 100 on what you say, 100, I got 50, now 75, now 100. Now 100 and a quarter, 100 and a quarter, and 100 and a half, 100 and a half, 75, 175, 150, 175, 160, 70, now 80, 180, now 90, now 200, 200, now 10, 200, now 10, 200, now 10, 210, 210, 20, 220, now 30, now 30, 230, you move a little, 430, 230, 230, you want that 230, at 220, 30, at 220, 30, 220, 30, well on 230, 30, 230, 220, 30, 220, 30, well done. Look right here, 220, 434, 434.
Rick got one.
All right. Now, the old cock shut. You're buying this one, and it's set up there by that tree. That clump or that stump laying up there was grown up in the soil here, and we cut that dude out there. So we kept it for a souvenir. So if you want that when you buy this tractor for your story, then you can have it. Anyhow, all right, you're buying a buzzsaw one. All right, look at there, something about 500. Give 5, give 500, give 5, give 2, 200, give 2. 500, now 6, now 7, no, 50, 75, now 100, now 100 and a quarter, 100 and a half, 170, 175, now 200, now 2 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter, now 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 235, 235, and 250, 250, 260, 270, 270, 260, there, now 70, 270, 270, 80, 280, 280, 90, now 290, now 300, we 300, 310, 300, 310, 300, 310, we get 10, 10, 300 here, now 300, 310, we get 310, y'all down to 310, 300, 310, 310, 20, and now 30, and now 30, now 40, now 40, now 50, 350, 350, we get 50, now 60, now 70, 370, 80, and now 90, 390, now 400, now 410, 410, 410, we get 10, 10, 410, and now 20, 420, now 30, 430, 430, we get 430, and 40, now 40, 50, 450, 450, we get 450, 4 and a half, 4 and a half, 4 and a half, now 75, 4 and a half, 75, now 500, now 500, we get 500, we get 500, we get 500, oh, whoop, I shouldn't have jumped, get 500, get 500, 475 and 5, get 485, 485 and 5, now 5 and 5 and a quarter, 5 and a quarter, get 510, 510, 500 now 10, y'all down to 500 now 10, 500 now 10, y'all to 500 now 10, starting right here, 500 bucks, 449. All right, farm ball time.
Saw wood with that one, you gotta work on a little bit,
Gonna need a little attention there. All right, the old farm ball here, looking there, something about, mercy, I don't know, somebody looking there, get about 200. Get 2, 200, get 2, 100 now, 100 and a half, 100 and a quarter, then 125, 100 and a quarter, now half, 100 and a half, now 75, 175 and 200, everybody get 200, get 2, 175 and 2, 2 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter, now 2 and a half, 2 and a half, I get 2 and a half, at 250, you want that 2 and a half, I get 2 and a half, at 250, 235, now 250, now 260, 260, 70, 270, 270, 270, 80, 270, 280, 280, 90, 290, 280, 290, everybody 280, 290, 290, go back in 290, 280, 290, 280, now 90, 290, 290, 280, 90, y'all done at 290, sold at 280, 434, 434. All right, now looking over the other co-op. Okay, on the old co-op. So this has been a co-op, a cock shut, or a black hawk, couldn't it?
Yeah.
It could have been all three, right?
I think they're all about the same.
I think this one's all just worth about 150. What do you think? Give 100. Give 100. Now 100 and a half. 100, 100 and a quarter, 100 and a quarter. Now 100 and a half. 175. 175. Now 2, 2 and a quarter. 2 and a quarter. Now 250. 275. 275. You want that 260. Now 70. 270. 80. 280. Now 90. 200. Now 300. We get 300. 310. 310. 20. At 320. 310. 20. 310. Now 20. 320. Go back in. 320. 310. 20. All down to 320. 310. 20. At 310. Now 20. 320. You want in over here. 320. 310. 20. 320. What do you say? 320. 310. 20. So 310, 449.
If anybody's interested, I got a 40 that I loaded on a trailer yesterday. Runs nice for sale.
Hey, you hear that? You wasn't listening. Hey, if you want to hear less than 40, he's got one for sale.
I
Just
got
order
a
it.
good runner one I just loaded yesterday on a
I just didn't want to miss the boat there. Josh is like, stop, you don't need more than tractors. All right, look at here. On the old farm, I believe F12. Dickies and F12. All right, look at here. On the F12, there's give about 200, give 100, there we give 100. Still way quite as much, does it? Give 100, 50 now 75, 50 now 60, 50, 60, 56, 70, now 70, 70 now 80, 80, 50, 80 now 90, give 90, there we give 90 now 100, now 1, 90 now 1. Give 100 now 110, 110, 110, 20. At 110, 20, 120, 110, 20, 30. And now 40, 140, 50. And now 60. And now 60, 70, 170, 80, 180, 180, 90, 189 now 200, every 200, every 200, every 190 now 2, 190 now 200, every 2, 190 now 2, 190 now 2, 200 now 210. At 210, 210 now 20. At 220, 220, 10, 20, 210, 20. 14, 210. Said 363. 363. And anyhow, this case is definitely the heaviest one of the bunch. But once we got her in here, we couldn't get her off this old F12. She's so heavy, the old motor wouldn't move it. And of course, it was spinning and carrying on wet, but whatever, you're buying this case. All right, there's somebody about 500 on the old case. Everybody get 500, get 4, 400, everybody get 4, get 4, get 3 for sure. She 200, everybody get 200, everybody get 100. 100 and a half. 100 and a half, 100, 100 and a half, you rest 100 and a half, 100, 175. 175 and 200, everybody get 200, that's 2 and a quarter, get 2 and a quarter, 225. Now 2 and a half. 2 and a half, 250, everybody get 2 and a half, everybody get 2 and a half, 2 and a half, 250, 250, 75, 275, 250, 260, 260, now 70, 270, 260, 70, at 260, 70, 260, now 70, 270, what he said, 270, 260, 70, 270, all done. Sold it, 434, 260. Okay, right on down here, this other F12. Oh, I gotta sell this grill now. Rick gonna turn up there and staring at me.
Grill down there. I didn't know that.
Trying to make money, Rick. Hey, on this old farm over here, so they get about 200, 50, give 100, 100 bucks, 50, 50 now 75, 50 now 75, 50, 75, 50 now 75, 50 now 60, now 60, 60, you say 60 now 70, now 70, 80, 80 dollars, 90, 80, 90, get now 100, 110, and then 110, 20.
Is it 12?
140, 140,
Yeah.
50, now 60, 160, 160, 70, 180.
You can see it's a 12 just by looking at it.
The steering is straight.
Yeah,
220,
yeah.
210, 20. At 210, you're on 210, now 20, 220, 210, 20, 210, 20, well done, 210, 20. So right here, 363, 210. All right, now got the wheels. Now, I'm going to go ahead and sell these.
Not as well as he does.
The front seat adds these wheels all together. Set up over there. All right, you might just set up over here. Somebody about 500. Get 500, we get 5, you can. I don't know. I'm sure, Dick, where are you at?
What?
What are these at?
F12
F12?
or F14
F14, lower 14.
or some other,
Lower
Nancy
14.
Harris.
The front, these fronts mate, these match.
I think
I
so.
thought they did too, but I don't
Look
know.
like what's on my tractor.
They look like it. Well, we're going to buy a whole set, suppose look good farm on. All right, so I want to see the wheel set. Somebody buy that, if I give 200.
I got them on a 14.
50 now 75, 50 now 60, 50, 60, 70, now 70, 80, $80 every give 80 now 90, give 90 every now 100, 190, 1 from 110, at 110, 110, 20, 110, 20, 120, 120, 30, at 130, 140, 140, 130, 40, at 130, 40, 130, now 40, 140, what do you say? 140, 140, 140, 50, now 50, now 60, 160, 70, at 170, 80, 180, 90, 190, now give 190, over 190, at 190, 180, 190, 180, 190, well done, sold at 180. And he's on 464. Now, got this Ferguson bumper right here. Ferguson bumper. Front bumper. So about 30. Get 30 bucks on the bumper. Get 30 or 40 on 30. Get 30 bucks on the bumper. Then we won't get 20. Get 20. 5, 7.5. A lot of out-of-state guys, so we've been working with them a little bit. I appreciate you guys being patient. Yeah, we can do that. Oh, okay.
All right.
All right, anybody got any questions on the old Jeep? I mean, it's sitting in the barn up here, a garage rather, for a nice size of garage for like 10 years or so since they ran it. And we tinkered around with it, cleaned points, and
put a battery.
Don't have a 3-point hitch on it.
What's that?
Don't have a 3-point hitch and a belt pulley on it.
I got in and drove around.
Well, I was school over at Huntsville. Some guy there in Huntsville had one with a mounted plow.
No title on it.
No title.
Title. Trust me, we tried. We ain't no kind of title. It is a 42 GPW. Yes, he's correct. Learned a lot of that stuff. I learned more about Jeeps in the last 3 days than I've ever known in my life. I don't know if I'll ever need it again, but I'll sure keep it. So anyway, don't know much else about it other than it's a good old Jeep. It's been sitting a while, but it's ready to make up stuff. So, all right. Anybody got any questions?
All right, somebody give me about 4,000. Give me about $1,000. Everybody get 4. Get $4,000. Everybody get 4. Get 4. Get 3,000. Everybody get 3. 3,000. Everybody get $3,000. Everybody get 3. Everybody get 2. 2,000. Everybody get 2. Give 2,000. Give 2. Give 2. 2. Tell him give me $2,000. Everybody get 2. Give 2,000. Give $2,000. Everybody get 2. Everybody get 2,000. $1,000. Now 1,500. Now 2,000. Now 2,500. And now 3,000. Now 2,500. Now 27.5. And now 3,000. And now 32.50. 32.50. Now 3,500. 3,500. Now 37.50. Now 4,000. $4,000. So we get $4,000. 37.50. Now 4,000. 4,000. Now 4,250. And now 4,500, sir. 42.50 bid. Now 4,500. 4,500. We get $4,500. $4,500. Everybody get 45. At 42.50 bid. You're right here 54. 2.5. Now 45. 45. 4,500. 4,500. Now 5,000. 4,500. Now 5,500. And now 6,000. Now 6. Get 6,000. $6,000. Everybody get 6. Everybody get 6. Now get 6,500. Now 7,000. 6,500 bid. Now 7,000. 65 here. Now $7,000. Everybody get 700. 7 now. Now 7,500. Now 8,000. Get 7,500. Got 7,500 bid. Now $8,000. 8,000. Everybody get 7,500 back here. Now $8,000. 8,000. Now 85. 85 now 9. $9,000. Everybody get 9,000. Everybody get 9. 9,000. Everybody get 9. 9. 9. 8,500 bid. Now 9,000. Get $9,000. 8,500. Now 9,000. You're on 8,500. Now $9,000. 9,000. Well, you say 9,000. And now 8,500. Now 9,000.
Get back in there. You can be a YouTube
You
buyer.
want to talk to me? 8,500. Now 9,000. $9,000. Well done.
Over that.
Yeah.
So, please, sir, 8,500.
That's enough.
425, 8,500. Thank you, gentlemen. Appreciate it. Okay, that's done. Now, move on down here to the one that ain't quite as classy. Well, it still is. It's still really classy.
I was going to grab it before I walked away.
Hey, now what we know about this one is not much. Anyway, this one, we found the transfer case transmission up there in a building that we believe fits in it. And whatever other parts, we just left them in here, so we weren't sure either way.
Oh.
So anyway, we're going to sell it, obviously to not run and need a lot of work.
Yeah.
There you go. A lot of parts there. All right, look in there, guys. You know what this one is. All right, look in there. Somebody about that 2,500. Get 25, 2,500, get 25, get 25, get 2,000. Get $2,000 on this and everybody get $2,000, everybody get $2,000, no title also. None of these have titles. Now get 2,000, give $2,000, everybody get 200, everybody get $2,000, give somebody get $1,000. $1,000, now 1,500. Now 15, get 12 and a half. 12 and a half, 1,000, 12 and a half, 1,000 bid up, 1250, 1,000, 12 and a half, everybody get 12 and a half, 12 and a half, 1,000 bid up, 1250, 1,000, 12 and a half, get 1250, everybody get 12 and a half, 1250, 12 and a half, I get 1,000 now, 12 and a half, give 1250, 1,000 bid up, 12 and a half, 12 and a half, 12, give it 1,100. Give it 1,100, 1,000 now, 1,100, $1,100, 1,000 now, 1,100, everybody get $1,100, 1,100, 1,000 now, 1,100, 1,100 now, 1,100, what do you say, $1,100, you get it, 1,100 now, 12. 11 now 12, sir. Give 1,200, go back in 1,200, 12 and now 13. Now 13, he's out again, give me 13. Got 13, 12 and 13, 12 and 13. When you get 1,300, 12 and 13. That's 1,200 now 13, 13, 12. So you're on 1,200 now 13. 1,300, anybody else at 1,300? 12 and 13. 1,300, what do you say? 1,300 now 14. Now 14, sir. Get 1,400, 1,300, bid now 14. At 1,300 now 14, 14 now 15. Now it's got to be 15. Now it's got to be 15, 14, 15. Get 1,500, 15, 14, 15. 14, 15. What's he thinking? 14, 15. 1,400 now 15. At 1,400 now 15. Anybody else out here? 1,400 bid over 1,500. 1,500. What's he thinking? 1,500, 14, 15, 16. Now 16, now 17. It's got to be 17, 16, 17. 16, 17. We need 1,700, 16, 17. 1,600 now 17, 1700, 16, 17. 16, 17, 1,700. 1,700. He's running out of time. Give 1,700. 16, 1,700. 16, 17, 1,700. Now 18. Now 19. Now 19. Now 19, 18, 19. 18, now 19, we do 19, 18, now 19, we do 19. Now 2, now 21. 21, 2, 21. 2100, 2000, now 21. 2100, 2000, now 21. 2100, everybody do 2100. What do you think? 21. 21, 2, 2100, 2000, now 21. 2100. 21, what do you think? 2100, all done? Now 22. No, wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Oh, we're still good there. 2000, now 20. 2100, 2021. 21, is he all done? 21. So to you, sir, 2000, thank you, 425. All right.
Wonder what the difference is. The grill on them two and the
Now the
headlights are different.
CJ is a 48.
That's a
48 CJ.
Oh, that's
So,
a civilian
anyway,
and that's a military.
CJ
Okay.
2A, yeah. And that makes a difference if you know what you're looking at. Me?
Let's look at it closer and see what it is.
Right. I suppose it's like if you know an M Farmall's an M Farmall and then you got a Super M. Maybe that's the 2A. I don't know. Let's go with that though. All right, looking on the CJ 2A. All right, looking there, something about 2,000. Get $2,000, I'm going to get $2,000, I'm get 2, 200, I'm get 2,000. Somebody get $1,000. Give $1,000 on the CJ. Give
got a rusty.
Say $1,000, I'm get 1,000, I'm get 1,000, get 500. Get 500 on this CJ, 500, I'm get 500. I do know that it means citizens. The CJ, the C means citizens.
Civilian.
Civilians, yes. Civilian.
That's military.
Civilian Jeep, yeah. Yeah, so I did learn that over the years. I still don't know what I'm talking about. But you're buying this Jeep, somebody get 500, get 5. Get 500, everybody get 500, everybody get 500, everybody get 5. 5. What do you say? Somebody get 500, get 2, 100, now 100 and a half. You gotta start somewhere. 100 and a half, 100 and a half, 100 and a half, 150, come on, 50. 100 and a half.
whatever.
100 and a half, now 200. Now 2. 100 and a half, down, give 175. 175, 150, 175. At 150, 100, 175. 175, you want him back here, 175? 160, 70. 160, 70. 170, 170, 160, 170, 160 now 70, 170, 160 now 70, 70 down here. Now 80, and now 80, 180, 180, 170, 80, 170, 80, 180, 180, 170, 80, at 170, 180, 180, 180, 170, 180, 180, 170, 180, all done at 180, 180 bucks, 180 bucks. Now 90, now 90, 180 back, now 90, 190, 190, 190, now 200, now 200, sir, 200, at 200, 200 back here, now 220. 210, 210, 210, 200 now 10.
Oh, Gary.
200 now 10, 200 now 210, 20, 210, 20, 210, 20, 220, 210, 20, 20, 30, now 40, now 40, 240, 240, 230, 40, 230, 40, 240, what do you get, 250, now 60, 260, 70, 270, 260, 70, 270 is out, 270, 260, 70, at 260 now 70, 270, 260, 70, 270, 80, 280, 280, 270, 80, you want back in 280, 280, 270, 80, 270, 80, we all done at 280, 270, now 280, sold it to him 270.
All right.
Okay. But
Hey, any chance you need a
Okay.
Jeep engine?
now
Why is that?
we got
Is it running? Is it in a
No.
generator?
we got kind of
No,
a
it's an
mess.
air compressor.
How much?
No,
100.
no, not gonna sell any of it. I'm gonna sell it all together.
No, but it's at
business
home.
card?
No,
Oh, to keep good
The reason I said that's because
I don't know.
had
Never
it
had it run, but it did
110
run
different
when I got
directions.
it. But I don't know. I've had
The
it.
only place way I know they
Several
sell the whole
years.
thing, and then if you want to buy the
But
grill,
it's got a different head on it and it makes an air compressor
Makes
instead.
an
So
air-
that
probably the bottom half is
Pretty sure they do.
mostly. I don't know how good, but figure I'll be worth $100.
Yeah, I think.
Okay, so we're gonna leave it. We're just gonna put them all together.
I don't know.
We'll buy this whole package, guys.
It's
You're buying the whole package. Everything you see
Uh,
sitting here, somebody get about 300.
a bunch of parts
Get about
there.
three. $300 every
It's-
three.
it's about
Three,
5
get
miles
two,
north of
200,
Bellefontaine.
Get 200 now, 200 now. If I got 200, 250 now, 3. Now 3, 3.5. 3.5, put out, get 3.5. 3.5, 400. Get 400, every 400, now 4.5. Now 500. Now 500, you both have me. 500, one,
Oh.
500, now 6.
Oh,
500
another.
now 6. 500 now 6. Now 6, now 6.5. 6.5. 36.5, now 700. 700, every 700.
Well, you can build one out of that.
And 7, now 7.5. 700, now 7.5. You guys want 750? 7.5, 700, 7.5. 700, 7.5, 750. 7.5, 750, 7.5. You want it 7.5? 700, 7.5, 750.
More.
700 bid now 7.5. Hey, boss, 7.5, 700, 750. 750, what do you say? 7.5, 750. You guys going back in? 7.5. Now 800. Now 800. 750 bid now 800. I got 800, 750, now 800. Get 800, boys. 775. Now 800. Now 800, 775 and 800. 800, now 8 and a quarter. 800, 8 and a quarter. You got 8 and a quarter, 800, 8 and a quarter. 825, 825, 800, 825, and 825. Now 900. Give 8 and a half. I'm sorry. 825, 8 and a half. 825, no 850. 825, no 850, 850.
Well, it's just another 25 bucks. 8.5, everything 850, 825, 8.5, it bells at 8.5, 850, all done at 850, 825, 850.
I don't have a pencil.
850, buy one in there at 850. So your way 825.
All right, that's enough of this.